Alright guys, welcome back to part 2. So I have to dash on the glasses because I don't know me and them just look like me I sleep for about 5 hours. Yeah, stop laughing now. Boy yeah, along than that. Boy yeah. Welcome back. Just kick back, ready for roll out part 2 of like a weekend. Like a weekend vibes, like a trip thing. Yeah man, so guys, too many of you are telling me how much you like the videos and stuff, and I don't see you sharing them, but I don't see the subscriber numbers going up. But anyway, do the right thing. Let me see how many of them looking now. No sir. But anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going at the people I'm good rest now. See if we can get some deal. Hey, I'm telling them, I say, sorry, I didn't have one dash cam to give us some of my footage on the road. I say, I go on, but I'm not married out there. Not married out there. I say, my last couple times, well, I have to make some bad U-turn at some place. So I feel like a Jamaican taxi driver, I swear. But they are going to do it still, so. I look for a few items and thing, see if we can get some nice like a deal and have people have a good rest. Sure. Yeah, I mean, yeah, couple shoes and so run through, I think. Yeah. Hey man, I tell you, just a run through some place. Vlogging thing, yeah. Pay attention to what I do. And I vlog at the same time. Yo. Trust and believe it's not easy. But yo, it's like you're just confused with the amount of stuff that's here. Like you want to just pick up everything and ship them to my yard star. And the price is crazy. The little thing them for spruce up and nice up on our house. Yeah, I mean. Yo. Anyways. Move on and see if I can find some stuff for a big foot boy. So, big man thing. This can't do in one vlog. I forgot to go part 2 and 3. I'm tired. I'm hungry. You're lucky to yo. A lucky thing we decide for wear them I tell us if my foot bottom come like them a bun off. Cha God. Oh, this much. Can you believe it, sir? From I go up on the road from today. Just I come back, I don't know what, I mash up, I tired, I walk, my foot bottom, I at me. But reach you don't have say proper things are going boy, A proper chef things are going boy, So this is a celebrity chef. You watch his smile. Hey! I give you a little sneak peek. How about that? A proper oxtail are going boy, Yeah man. You see in life, you have to cherish good people. This is the first time I'm meeting this lady. And I tell you something, I feel like I am a born and I grow up. Yeah man. So moral of the story just don't go. But wait, but I don't look what going over here, sir. But I didn't see what I'm going. I didn't see what I'm going. You even know the amount of water and them something there and all of these things and so. So I'm going to do a little piece, as per usual, and telling how the taste part goes, But anyway guys, as I say, it's a lot of things happening. I think I'm going to have to do this in like either 2 or 3 parts. So once you watch part 1, make sure you watch part 2 and 3 if it go that far, because a whole heap of things are happening. And trust me, all I can say to you guys, I say, Father God, You can't do nothing in your life without Father God. Every morning you wake up, give thanks and praise. You understand? And you say when you know meet good people or not good people in your life, cherish them and make sure sir, them know how to feel about them. Anyways, I go bed, get myself together, because you see all of my food, you can't eat them, my food are dirty. My food you have to put on a jacket and tie a knife and fork and so clean and cologne and them something. You understand? So look out, don't know what you think of dog, you know. You understand me? Nah man, I like. Alright, so yeah. You understand? So when you see rice cup in it, you have to ask a special guest, rice cup up and so neat. You understand? Look on them oxtail there. You understand what I say? Look on them shrimp there. You understand what I say? Yeah. What I couldn't know, because some bad mind people about there, I have to show them still about me and tell them bad mind, but yeah. Today is a good day. As a matter of fact, I'm bless the food. Yeah, I'm bless the food. I'm gonna give them because we can't really do no garden on that alright. I'm sample piece of the oxtail and tell them walk on. Oxtail that go good. Oxtail got Sunday school. Yeah. No joke. Bean right. Spicy. Tender. You notice me not using a knife? Alright. Check what you go out with their shrimp you know. Can't go in no more. Sit down and enjoy the food and them mashed potato and them something. Trust me, go up walking to them. But anyways, look out part few, part 2.
You want to go on Disney? I don't know why you want to go to Disney World.
So that's where fuck. Now look out. Fuck now look out. Hey, that is true. You can't taste it. Taste it with me. Fuck now look out. What you feel? Cha-cha. Alright, so guys, the vlogging never really go how you plan it, and you want to capture so many different things, and like you have a million things doing, so it kind of difficult sometimes. But anyways, been breakfast. Yup, looking good. You understand? Yeah. So this is the birthday breakfast. Yeah, so just gonna enjoy and take on the road and do what we have to do today same way. Alright, so stay tuned. Anything else that pops up, then we're going to try and share that with you. Alright. Okay guys, so this is part 2. There's a whole lot of videos. Like honestly, the first time I ever feel vlog confused because I have so many footage. Alright, so this is gonna be beginning of the part 2 part, and this is on my birthday. So yeah, feel free to say happy belated birthday to your boy. Yeah, so breakfast time. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're going to have, and then I'm just going to dig in because I'm super hungry. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so there in one of them store, how this BJ's. Yeah, get some stuff. You know where I go. Boy, the place is big and everything there. Confusing. Wait, you can't bring back everything. But yeah, just there and I go and browse around. On my birthday, but little more, now it's gonna be turned. Yeah, in life, no matter what the occasion, you have stuff to do. You just have to be disciplined and get stuff done. You know what I mean? So if you do a birthday celebration, we have some important stuff to get done, so we just get it done. You understand? Yeah, man. So that's what it is. You know what I mean? show no one and two little thing I go on boy. Hey, I'm tell them the same. They say if nobody care about that phone from foreign. Any foreign. England, UK, America, anywhere. Appreciate it. Things them there. Blood fire. In comparison to what we used to. Price them turn up, me nah lie. But they are go and walk and look still. Heading back on the black light, you know, in a minute. Get some rest. I show they say things there. Before you could have get all them things for $11. You see me? Watch out. And on play thing and go on. Watch out. Do the maths I had. Yeah man. Everything there, no joke. You see me? Yeah man, price them turn up man. It's like some of the things that when you do the conversion, it would work out to be the same. Like if you buy it at Jamaica. Hey, you see? When trouble take you up, hit the short feet here, you know. They had to drive around that people in place like we a big driver to blow. We go to one place a while ago and the service just went. I mean, I tell you, I sit down in the car, we don't know where we go, we don't know where we there. No, sir. I sit down and they say, yo, Jaja, alright, recalibrate. And everything I'm come up with equal. We lost. I don't know where we go. But it was just a glitch in technology and start out back on Butter Pro again. I want to feel like, yo, I feel we play. Hey, I want to know about. You see? No star. Ease yourself, youth. How are you? I'm a big driver and people I'm firing. I want to know about. Hey. You know what I mean? You're out there, boy. You're out there. Alright, so finally done the bag of driving. And them decide to them all carry me out. Yeah, so my beard and so. Fresh up myself. We call it a snacks nearly because we have some package for forward and boy, I don't know, like a Zimbabwe, them are going, know them can't reach. But still, you know, beard and stairs and outside and out here and yeah, place nice and thing and you know I go. Just out there and full drive yourself tonight. Get a little tipsy, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay guys, so heading out. Boynton Beach. This is like one of the nicest places I've been in Florida. What the deal of it, I call it. Yeah, I never really used to like this part of America at all. But I tell you, as in the Florida area. I tell you, that's some nice. Like, but yeah, oh, it's in the dark. Yeah, so heading home now, and you know, I guess we'll see if we can get some footage. But we have quite a few bags, so we don't know how that will work out. But anyways, on the touchdown, you can see what happened. 6 speed, alright. But this trip was super awesome, full of holy blessings. Just have to give Father God thanks, and you know, continue to go and guide and protect us safely. Anyways, my peeps, I'm out. I'm until. Alright, so yeah, I'm a virgin now. Drop at the airport. As you can see, still night, well, early morning. But yeah, as I was saying, guys, like this is what I think the best trip that I've ever taken on this side. Boynton Beach here, nice. Yeah. If I live over here, if I'm in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, live here, I over this one I live. Yeah, I like it. No, you know, you not get done? Yeah. Anyways, road have to take on. Road have to take on. Road have to take on. Again, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment so we know what I think, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so reach at the airport, I fret about, don't watch my pink bag. Reach at the airport and I fret about the bag then. One bag weigh 53. Everybody else good. So yeah. We reach very early to make sure say you know if we have no challenges or so. I can sort that out. So deal with everything I know and check in and thing and looks in field because I'm hungry and when I'm hungry I'm crossing. Okay, so I made it through TSA checkpoint. Heading to our gate. Have to say, hassle-free trip so far, both on arrival and departure. Although I didn't take my bag a while ago, because some nice food cooked yesterday. Ribs and chicken and alkaline say food and chicken and wings and things. So some of that going on. So walk with some of that food there and I don't know why hunger go a little more. But yeah, heading back home to the good old JA. You know what I mean? I tell you, awesome experience guys, no joke. Alright guys, so just land. Remember if I talk loud, because I think the definitely ears there. That's one thing I want to show up having that trouble. Like the air pressure. Anytime when the air pressure change, like the ears will pop out. What? Not allowed? Anyway, I'm not sure if I'll be able to record while going through with the box and everything, but it has been an awesome trip. Thank you guys for logging on. Thank you guys for watching and everything, you know. Just don't forget to do the right thing. Like, subscribe and share. Alright, so